Yeah, hey everyone. So in this session, we are going to discuss about different ways how to do proxy interview, and there are four ways where we can follow any of them, and we can process with that. So first way is for lip syncing. So lip sync means suppose you are connected with me on mobile phone. So in your system, so you are connected with like interviewer. Suppose this is your system, and nearby your system you have mobile phone, and you are connected with me on the mobile while the interview only. So this is me, I'm sitting on the remote location. So suppose this is Bangalore location and this is my Delhi location. So what will happen? So whenever interview will ask the question, so you will be connected with me through mobile phone only, and your mobile will be nearby your laptop speaker. Whatever they will ask the question, so voice will come out of the speaker. Definitely I will listen. Whenever I will listen, so I will reply through mobile only. I will reply through mobile only, and meanwhile you will do the lip syncing. You will just do the movement of your lips, and where interview will see, they will observe that you are speaking, and but you will not be speaking, but on the behalf of you, I will be speaking on the behind the scene. But interview will think that you are speaking only. Okay, so this is the first way. And suppose if they will ask to write the code or something like this, so on that scenario you should have window 10. First of all, you should have window 10. Second thing, you should have ultra viewer installed in your system. So this is your system, this is my system. So this is my system and this is your system. Okay, so in your system there should be a ultra viewer. Ultra viewer is mandatory. Ultra view is mandatory, and it should be window 10 as well, because in window 10 ultra viewer, so there is an option where we can hide the things who is controlling your screen and all. No one will get to know who is controlling your screen, and easily I can write the code on your screen and no one will get to know. So let me just show you how can we do all these things. Suppose someone is taking a control of my screen. So this is Zoom, and all the software are opening here. Okay, so there is this is the option task view. If I will click on this one, so we can click on new desktop, and I can go to second desktop, and nothing is there. No one can identify who is controlling the screen, but Zoom is going on, this recording is going on, but no one can observe the things like there is Zoom or ultra view or anything else, right? We can hide the option easily with new window. Okay, so this is my old window. So this is the screen, this is our desktop, which where we have opened the ultra viewer or Zoom, and this is a new desktop where we have a new desktop where we can join with the interviewer through with the help of a team or team viewer or your team and any other software. So this was our first steps about the lip sync. So in all the steps there will be a one common thing. Common thing will be the ultra viewer, because every time if they will ask to write the code and all, so before 5 minutes from the interview, I will connect with you and I will take a control of your screen, and I will start to write the code if needed. If they will not ask, then there is no need to write the code. But yes, I can get to know when you are on mute, when you are not on mute. And one more thing, you will not control your screen, I will control your screen. You will just see the screen, and you need to behave like this, that only you are the writing the code, but in actual I will be write the code, but you have to do acting on that or like this only. Okay, so this was the first step only. Let's come to second step. So it's the process 2. So in the process 2, it's a prompting. What is prompting? Prompting mean to say, uh, suppose this is your system and I am sitting on remote. Definitely a laptop like mobile should be connected with me. Okay, via mobile call. So whenever interview will speak the question, definitely I will listen. And here you have to do one thing. So whatever things I'm speaking to through mobile only. So you will attach the earphone with your ear. You need to attach the headphone with mobile phone, not with laptop. You know why? Because whatever questions they will ask, then I will listen easily because it's nearby speaker, mobile is nearby speaker. But whatever things I will speak, I will not directly communicate with the interviewer. I will communicate with you only. Whatever things I'm telling you, the same things you need to repeat to interviewer. Suppose they are asking what is Salesforce. I'm saying Salesforce is nothing, it's a CRM. So you have to speak like this only. Salesforce is nothing, it's a CRM. You might be thinking that it's a delay and there will be lots of problem. There is no problem if you are if you are so much active. But if you are not active, you can't speak, then that will be a problem for you. Okay, so that is a second process. Okay, the common thing is ultra viewer will be the common. Definitely if they will ask to write the code, I will take your screen. This is a prompting only. Through mobile only, I will communicate with you, you will communicate with the interviewer. Face will be yours, everything will be yours. Like you have to communicate with your voice only. So that was the second process. Let's come to third process. This is a prompting that same scenario with the mobile phone and otter. What is otter? You know, mobile voice means whenever they will ask to they will ask the questions, I will listen. Definitely it's your system and this is remote my system, and I will take a control with ultra viewer. Definitely the same scenario, common scenario, and mobile will be there. You will attach the earphone with your ear, like with your ear, like whatever headphone and all. So whenever they will ask the question, then voice will be come to you your ear, then you will speak to them. This is a first way which we already covered in process second. But here one more thing, one more thing mean to say, suppose they are asking the question, whatever things I'm repeating here, suppose they are asking what is Salesforce, I'm saying Salesforce is nothing, it's a CRM. So first of all, you will listen. Okay, you will listen, you can repeat the same thing to them. Or suppose you middle of the interview or as initial starting of the interview, you are confused, you are not able to speak whatever I'm speaking. Okay, whatever I'm replying to you, you are not able to speak to interviewer. That will be a problem. So how can we resolve this issue? So we can use Otter application. So what is Otter? Let me show you. So this is application where it will help us to like convert the things like voice to text converter. So let me show you the result. So you can see the result now. 1 second. Yep. So this is a result. So currently my internet is little slow, so that's why it is not converting the proper thing. Otherwise it will be like give you the result in like in a second. Okay, so now whenever I will speak, so this is the application where we can like whatever things we will speak, everything will be converted, and everything you can see on the screen. So this is very like it's awesome application, like it won't delay anything. Like you can whatever things I will speak, suppose I'm speaking Salesforce is nothing, Salesforce is a CRM. So it is converting perfectly, right? On the same time, so you can read the things and you can speak like speak to them. Understood? So this is application. I will share this link with you. So the same screen you can see on your system, and same things you can read the things, and you can communicate with the interviewer. So on the same time you will read all these things and they will see like you are speaking only, right? So this was the third process. And fourth process is like I will give your interview on the behalf of you. Myself, video will be mine only. Video will be mine. Everything but text will be like voice will be mine. Everything will be mine. But on your identity, I will give your interview. So now you might think here, what about after joining? If voice will be yours, video will be yours, then after the joining, so everything can be failed, right? They can reject you, they can like kick you out from the company, right? So there are very less chances to happen this scenario, like if they will kick you out from the company, because whenever we will upload the document, so you will apply my photo only, not your photo, because nowadays currently work from home is going on, so no one will identify like who is doing the job, because in India no one will do the video call after joining, after daily work routine. So you should have some little more good knowledge of technical, like it's, I'm not saying very expertise, I'm not, and I will not say you should not have basic knowledge also. You should have at least basic knowledge of Salesforce, even intermediate knowledge, not basic, where you can debug the things and all, then they will no doubt on you. Okay, so now let's compare which one is most success, like it's a first, second, and third and fourth. So where you will get more success, like where you can get a success soon. So if I'll talk about the process one, so process one growth percentage is, it's lip syncing. I will say out of 100, that is around 30% you can get a success. In this one, in process second, so I will say in this process, you might get around 60% chances selection on one first interview only. I'm talking about first interview only, in the first round. If we'll give multiple rounds, definitely it will be process one will also be clear. If we'll give, but we have to do lots of hard work. Here, definitely it's a 60% chances. But if I'll go about the process third, so there is around 80% chances to selection for the selection. And if I'll go for this fourth one, then it is 98% chances on the first selection only. If I'll give the interview myself, then it is 98% chances, because definitely whatever knowledge I have, directly I'm communicating with the interviewer. There is no delay, there is nothing will happen. They directly will see, oh, candidate is whatever knowledge I have, they directly can observe me. But in this scenario, I will share the knowledge with you, right? I will share the knowledge with you. Definitely, if I'm giving you the my 100%, definitely you will give 60% to 70% only, not 100%, right? Here, if I'll like in the mobile also, whatever things I will speak with you, so I will replying you and you are replying to interviewer on the same scenario. It also is the time consuming thing. Like definitely you will give around 50-60% to interviewer. Here they can, what is the problem in this one, lip sync? They can easily identify and they directly can say like you are not speaking, someone else is speaking, you are doing the lip sync. So this is a ratio of the percentage and all. Now you can decide which one is a better. So as per my recommendation, this one process one, fourth is better, and then third, then two, and then one. It's up to you now. Okay. So okay guys, then if you have any question, and also you directly can reach out to me on WhatsApp or on mobile call. So I'll definitely revert you back whenever I'll get free time. Okay, then thank you so much for your time and all. So okay, bye.